How many hours do you waste manually analyzing data, rewriting product descriptions, or sorting customer feedback in Google Sheets? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Gemini AI to Google Sheets in less than 10 minutes using Make.com. You will build a custom AI data agent that reads your rows, processes the text, and writes the results back. First, let's prepare our Google Sheet. I have a simple table here with a list of customer reviews in column A and an empty column B where we want Gemini to generate our responses. Make sure your table has clear headers in the first row. Now, head over to Make.com and create a new scenario. Click the plus button, select Google Sheets, and choose the Watch Rules trigger. Connect your Google account. Select your spreadsheet. And choose the specific sheet tab you are working on. Click Save. In the pop-up window, click All, then click Save. Next, drag a line to create a new module. Search for Google Gemini AI and select Simple Text Prompt. In the text prompt field, we need to instruct the AI. Let's write: you are a professional customer support assistant. Analyze the following customer review and write a polite, short response. If the review is negative, offer a solution. And right after that, click and map the variable representing your review column from the Google Sheets module. Now, we need to save this response back into our table. Add another Google Sheets module, but this time select Update Role. Select the same spreadsheet. In the row number field, insert the row number variable from the table we created earlier. Then, find a column where we want the response. Click it, and insert the result variable from the Gemini module. Click Save. You also need to specify how many rows should be processed in the settings of our first table. To do this, enter the desired number in the limit field. Let's test how it works. I'll click Run once. Watch the screen. Make instantly the text a new row in Google Sheets. Send the text to Gemini, and Gemini processes it. As you can see, the AI automatically starts generating responses and filling in the spreadsheet. Just click this scenario to on, and it will run in the background 24/7, processing every new piece of data automatically. You can find all the setup, links and prompts in the description below. If you want to automate more tools and work smarter, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what should we automate next. See you in the next video.